Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. Today we're going to continue learning about the pattern consonant LE that we had learned on Wednesday. So remember, when you see the vowel E at the end of a word, you need to find a pattern. Now I'm going to teach you how to code and read words with the consonant LE pattern. But today I'm going to do something slightly different. You'll see as we continue to go on with the lesson. So with step one, when we don't know a word, our step one is always to find our vowel, right? And we know when we see the E at the end of a word, we have to count back 3 and say 1, 2, 3, consonant LE. Just like this word. You see, I see my E at the end of the word. I know I have to find my pattern and I count back 3. I go 1, 2, 3, consonant LE. After that, I go to step 2. And step 2 is to cut the word after the consonant LE, just like I did here. I did 1, 2, 3, consonant LE, and then we chop the word. So step 3 is to read the word. On this part, I see the U is at the end. When our vowel is at the end of our word, our vowel will say its name because it is open. So when the vowel is open, it says its name. So I know my U is going to say U. And now I read my word. Bugle. Bugle. Boys and girls, remember, when we see an E at the end of a word, it is silent. So that's why my word says bugle. Now we're going to move on, and you're going to watch me code and read the next few words. Step 1 is always to find the vowel, right? And I see my A, I see E is at the end. When my E is at the end of a word, I always have to find my pattern, and I count back 3. I go 1, 2, 3, consonant LE, chop or cut the word. Now my word has 2 parts. I see here my A is a vowel and it's at the end. When my vowel is at the end of a word, it is open and it says its name. So I know my A is going to say A, and I read it K, and I go to the next part of the word, and I know my E is silent, so I read bull, and I put it together, cable. Let's move on to the next word. I see E is at the end of my word. When E is at the end of the word, we have to find our pattern, and we count back 3. We go 1, 2, 3, consonant LE, chop the word. And now my word has 2 parts. My O is open, so I read the word and it says no. The next part says bull, and I put it together, noble. Excellent. Let's move on to the next word. I see E is at the end. When my E is at the end, I know it doesn't make a sound, and I have to find my pattern. So I have to count back. I go 1, 2, 3, consonant LE. I chop my word, and then I have 2 parts. My first part, I see my CVC pattern, so I know my O is going to say ah, and now I read it wob, bull, wobble. Let's take a few seconds to review what we learned today in OG. We learned that we actually reviewed the consonant LE pattern. When we see a consonant LE pattern, we count back 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we chop the word. After that, we see our word has 2 parts. When our vowel is at the end, it's open and it says its name. When our consonant is at the end of a word, our vowel will make its sound. So let's reread these words again. Cable, cable. Noble, noble. Wobble, wobble. Excellent, boys and girls. Now, I want you to write the words you see down on the screen. I would like for you to hold them and read them. Take a picture and upload it onto Class Dojo. Hope you have fun. Have a great day. Bye.